Hello, wonderful human. I am so glad that this exercise found you. This exercise is created and guided by Eva Bach. This exercise will help you embrace love for yourself, and it will help you reach a relaxed and confident state through following your breathing, embracing a positive self-loving mantra, and a confident body posture. This exercise is most effective while sitting, either on a chair or couch, or in a comfortable position on the floor. Make sure you will not be disturbed during this exercise. Please find a comfortable sitting position for yourself now. Sit with a straight back and spine. Imagine that a rope is running through your spine and coming out of the crown of your head. I know this is a bit silly, but imagine that someone is pulling at this rope above you. Take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and keep them closed until I instruct you to do otherwise. Take some time to find a natural and calm breathing rhythm that suits your body. Trust that your body knows how to breathe for you. Usually, breathing out takes a little bit longer than breathing in. But allow yourself to calm down and let your body regulate your breathing. You are safe. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve to relax. Feeling relaxed is healthy for you. Just breathe in and out. You are safe. You feel safe. You are relaxed. Now, to relax your shoulders, breathe in while you lift your shoulders up as far as you can towards your ears. And breathe out and release them gently as low as you can while maintaining your upright posture. Do this 3 times. Now, put your hands on your belly and focus your attention to the flow of your breath. Notice how the air flows through your nostrils, how it flows through your air pipe into your lungs, and how it causes your belly to go up and down. Just notice your breathing and keep your attention to the flow of your breath. If your thoughts start to wander, just gently guide them back to noticing your breathing. Now we are going to introduce a simple mantra into our thoughts that will flow along with our breathing, with your breathing. The mantra is, I love myself. Say this mantra in your head while you are breathing. When you breathe in, say in your head, I love. When you breathe out, say in your head, myself. Keep doing this until I instruct you to do otherwise. Continue this exercise of saying I love myself on the flow of your breath, but now gently lower your head. Keep a straight back while lowering your head as far as you can until your chin can almost touch your chest. Continue saying I love myself on the flow of your breath. Deeply immerse yourself in your own mind. Align your breath and the mantra with each other. They belong to each other. Now gently rise up your head until you have a straight spine again. Remember, there is someone pulling at that rope above your head. Gently open your eyes and continue saying the mantra in your head. Now put your hands on your hips firmly and confidently, so your elbows are arching outwards. Breathe in and out with a little more passion. Breathe in and out a little more heavily, and continue to say the words, I love myself, in your head. Also, say these words in your head with a little more passion. Now lift up your left arm, make a fist, and let it reach to the sky in a 60 degrees angle so that your fist is not reaching right above your head, but is still in your vision. Look at your fist. Continue saying the mantra in your head alongside the flow of your breathing. Breathe in and say I love. Breathe out and say myself. I love myself. Lower your left arm and put your hand back on your left hip. Now reach out your right arm and do exactly the same. Make a fist and let it reach to the sky in a 60 degrees angle so that your fist is not reaching right above your head, but still in your vision. Look at your fist. Continue saying the mantra in your head alongside the flow of your breathing. Breathe in, I love, and breathe out, myself. Now you can put your right arm back on your hip. Continue with the mantra alongside the flow of your breathing while you are in this position. Now take your hands off your hips and place both hands on your heart. Close your eyes while you continue saying the mantra in your head alongside the flow of your breathing. Now you can stop saying the mantra if you want to. Focus on taking a moment to appreciate your heart, your breath, your entire body, and your entire self. You are beautiful, and I love you. You can open your eyes now.